Hello, this is Team Aardvark. Here is our plan for the question generation and answering system. In our system, there are two components corresponding to the question and answering part. For the question generation part, we first need to process the input by tokenizing and parsing, using tools from NLTK and Stanford Parser, respectively. For each sentence in the file, we want to run a parts of speech tagger and identify all the noun phrases. There are going to be two types of questions that we're going to generate. One is the WH questions, and the other is yes/no questions. We'll be further discussing how we're going to implement the generation of each type of the questions in the future. We also want to include an evaluation system within the question generation component. This allows us to find the questions that are more informative and fluent. Some of the qualities that we're looking for in our ideal candidates are length of the sentences, the importance of the question in relevance to the article, and whether the question is grammatically correct. For our answering system, for each question, we'll first find the sentences that is more similar to the question. We want to consider both the semantic and the syntactical aspects of the similarities. For the WH questions, right now we're just planning to output the entire sentence. And for the yes/no questions, we're going to give the answer yes or no based on whether or not there are negative words in the sentence. We also want to include an evaluation system for our answering system, and the detail is yet to be discussed. At this point, we have made a very detailed plan. We have gathered information about related works which would inspire us on the design choices, and in the future, we're going to implement the system according to our plan.